guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Cleo. On today's episode I'm gonna be doing some cow food. I haven't had this in a long time. I'm gonna make some today. These are my ingredients. I have some bell peppers, piece of ginger, pepper, scotch bonnet, thyme, carrot, onion and garlic. I have some Maggi all-purpose, I have some Goya adobo, I have some meat seasoning, black pepper, some Creole and allspice, tomato, and I also have some vinegar to wash the meat. I washed them with lemon already. I'm gonna wash them with some vinegar, and I also have my beet. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be washing these. Like I said, I washed them already with some lemon. So I'm just gonna rinse them up again, guys. Already clean. You know, meat tends to be raw sometimes, so the vinegar helps with the rawness as well. Very escaping to you don't want to be cooked. Okay guys, so that's that. Some yes, I like to season my meat. I don't like bland food, and even though it's cow food, and I'm still gonna pressure it because it's very tough. I'll put a little season when I'm finished if it needs a little bit more. You know, if you don't put it in the pressure cooker, you'll be cooking this until Christmas. Okay, so I like to season my food. I don't overdo it because if you put too much season on your food too, it will just overpower the whole dish. You know what I mean? So you just gotta be careful how you do it too. I don't season with salt, guys, and of course I'm putting a little browning in it as well. I do not season with salt my meat, and reason be because some of the meat are salt, really salt. Some of the seasoning are salt. So when you season it with salt, that is extra salt. And guess what? You can always add salt, but you can take away. So if the food is salt, it's just salt. But if it needs more salt, you can always add salt to the food. So that's why I don't really season meat with salt. As I cook, I taste, and then I see what I need. Okay guys? I know this thing is basically bone. So I'm going to pressure it. I'm giving it about 10 minutes to brown up a little, and then I'll put it in the pressure cooker to peel that in. It's going to clean up back here a little in the meantime. Okay. So guys, I'm browning up a little. You hear the bones? Bones and more bones. Just letting it brown a little bit more, and then I put it in the pressure cooker, guys. Looking lovely, right? And there it is, guys. Remember, guys, subscribe to my channel, Cooking with Cleo. Like, share, and comment. Thank you for subscribing. Okay, so alright, guys, I'm gonna put this in the pressure cooker. There it is, guys, in the pressure cooker. Looks almost cooked already, right? Well, I'm gonna cover it now. I don't put a lot of water in because I don't like. I'm not making soup. I'm making cow food stew. Right? So I don't have to fill it with water to make that gravy long and no. So I want it to cook close. So I'm gonna cover it now, guys. All right, guys. This is after the 15 minutes mark. I'm just gonna test it to see where we at. Okay. All right. Needs a little more cooking. Okay. Needs a little bit more pressure in, guys, so I'm gonna cover it back. Add a too small water on it, just not a lot. Now give it 12 more minutes. So guys, I opened my bean already. Now I'm gonna strain. I don't use this from it, and I wouldn't encourage anyone to really use it. And I also rinse off my beans too. Okay, guys. And I also like to put a few spinach in mine. Not a lot, just a few. Okay. So we're just waiting now for that to cook down some more, to pressure down some more, because it's tough, but it's cooking. So I'll give it another 12 minutes and I'll check it and see where we're at then. So I'll see you again. Remember, guys, subscribe to my channel, Cooking with Cleo. Like, share, comment. Thank you very much. Alright, guys, I'm gonna check into the pressure cooker now. See? Ooh. Okay. Okay then. Looking very, very good. At this, guys, and it's not even finished yet. See that gravy? Could eat it right now as it is. It's pretty color. Don't want it to be any browner than that. You don't really use browning to cook, you just let your food cook properly, man. So it's good. Okay. What I'm gonna do, guys, remember the pot that I browned it up in? There it goes. No need to rinse it out or anything. So I'm just gonna transfer this to it and let it finish cook down. Yep. Ooh, look at all that goodness in the bottom here, guys. First, you know, we're gonna have to put some water in that to get it out, right? Can't let all that goodness goes to waste at all. Alright. Okay. Alright. So I'm just gonna turn the stove back on and allow it to finish cook down. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do, guys. See how pretty that is? Isn't it just pretty? Alright, so I'm going to let it just finish cook down, guys. Okay. Here it goes, guys. Here it is. Still cooking away. It's bubbling, bubbling, bubbling. Bubble she a bubble. Bubble she a bubble. Yep. Look at that, guys. Even though I pressured it for some time, trust me, this was a very tough cow foot, and I tell you, tough it tough. But it's cooking now, so, and I didn't want it to go all the way in the pressure cooker, so that's why I put it back in the pot so it could finish on the stove. But it's cooking now. It was very tough. See, guys? So the next time you see me open this pot, I'll be adding my seasoning and salt to it, so it can cook down. Okay, guys? That's pretty, right? Okay, guys, I just made the spinach and put it inside. I have to do it off camera because I didn't have anyone to hold the camera for me. Right, so that's what I did off camera. So I'm now gonna put my seasoning in. My carrots. My thyme. My bell pepper. Guys, so my carrot is in on all my seasoning. Okay, I'm just gonna let this break it down. Guys, so I'm gonna put a little gravy master in. I like to gravy it in my meat. Gonna put Miss Scotch Bonnet She on the top, because she's a showstopper to, you know. If you don't know what you're doing with it, you spoil your pot. Okay, guys, so beans. Pepper to burst, guys. That's what we don't want. It's really very hot. All these pepper at Utica, I tell you, these pepper are bad like whoa. A little ketchup, guys. Not a lot. Just gonna cover this and let it finish cook. Just gonna cook it down for another 3 minutes or so. Yeah, because you see that gravy is very nice already, right? Yeah. Also the carrot cook a little and the seasoning. Okay, so we'll be back when this is completely finished, okay? Remember to subscribe to my channel, Cooking with Cleo. Like and share and comment also. See you soon. So guys, we're back. Look at that. It's done, guys. It's finished. Finally the boat land. The boat land finally. Yeah. We are finished. Very thick and nice the way I like it. I'm gonna take the pepper out. Ooh. Screen fills up. I don't want it to burst. Okay guys, see that? Okay. I'm gonna plate some, show you guys. So there we have it, guys. All done, ready to eat. I serve my coffee over some gunga rice with some steamed veg. There it goes. Thank you for watching, guys. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, Cooking with Cleo. Like, share and comment, and don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you will be alert every time I upload a new video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Walk good. If you can't be good, remember, be careful. Guys, it's looking so yummy.